Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael and today I am preparing peaches. I was going to put some in the freezer so that I can make some smoothies and some sorbet in the future, and I'm also going to be making a peach pie, so I wanted to prepare these today. And I was sitting here peeling them and I thought, let me just show you my little hack that I use to get the skins off these peaches really quickly. So I've got a pot of boiling water over here, and I've got another pot here with some ice in it for an ice bath. So we're going to put the peaches in the boiling water for about 30 seconds to a minute, and then we'll take them out and we'll put them in our cold ice bath, and then the skins will come right off of them. So let's get started and I'll show you how that does. All right, so I've got a little screened colander here that I'm going to use, and I'm going to drop the peach down into the water, and we'll let that sit there for about 30 seconds to a minute. Now I'm going to take it out of the boiling water and I'm going to throw it into the ice bath. That way, if it was trying to cook, it will stop, and we'll let that cool off just for a second. And while that's cooling off, I'll put another one in because it goes that fast. All right, let's take our second one out. And then I'm going to replace it with the one that was in the cold bath. And we'll come back over, and you can see on these peaches, there's an actual little mark on them, and that you can see where the pit is on those. So they're kind of easy to find where the pit is. So we're just going to cut down into it and just kind of cut around the pit. And then once I've done that, they just pull apart, and then you can pop the seed right out of them. Slice your peaches into the shape you want. Skin comes right off of them. It's that easy to peel a peach. This is just another little hack and trick that I do to try to save some time. And then these, I just take this knife and just cut off this little edge here where the pit was at. It's kind of hard in some places on it. So that is how you peel a peach, and to get them ready for your peach pies, your cobblers, your sorbets, whatever you'd like for them. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and to click that bell at the bottom. You'll be notified of any future videos. And also, check out one of these other two over here. You might find something else you like. All right, thank you for staying with me today. And remember to subscribe. It helps me build my channel. Thank you.